Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome to my channel. Today is 2022, 2nd of November, right? The 2nd day of November, yes, all right, no changes. What we are going to do is to do the same thing, all right, to maintain the consistency, right? So in this session, I'm going to pick up the currency pairs, which is potential for selling, and I'm going to focus to trade later on, okay, in the live market, okay. So yes, let's see what do we have here, right? Hi Bradley, hi Hubert, nice to see all of you here. Thank you so much for coming in again. Yep, all right. So yes, so today, yeah, let's take a look at this AUDJPY. Okay, over here, I think AUDJPY is tentatively by looking at this over here. Hi Ada, nice to see you here. Well, for AUDJPY, AUDJPY over here, looks like yesterday we have a selling through down, okay, but I think it's not very strong, and today is still being supported that is still good for a bull. So currently, okay, I will be still looking for a buy for the AUDJPY, all right. So how about Aussie franc? Let's take a look at Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc very clear that we are going for a buy today, so no selling, all right. So Aussie yen and Aussie yen, let's take a look. Aussie yen today seems like there's a resistance up there that actually pushing the trend down, okay, but we are still by looking at this, we are still in the bull, retracing down into the bear. However, it went into the gain. So currently, by looking at this, all right, by looking at this right now, I would like to put this into observation first before I actually take action, because tentatively, okay, we see that there's it's actually respecting the support level here. All right, so we still have about 50 pips to test the support. However, okay, will it actually come down to continue the selling? It depends whether it can break the support or not. Okay, so tentatively, all right, Aussie yen, if this support can be broken, okay, then we will have a good chance of selling for about 44 pips. Okay, so yep, I guess, right, we have to pay attention to this. Okay, so I'm going to put this Aussie yen into my selling list. All right, so that later on we can take a look if there's a chance for us to sell, right? Okay, so Aussie Kiwi. I'll take a look at Aussie Kiwi right now. Aussie Kiwi, we are in the bear since yesterday. We are already selling, and now we are still in the bear, but now it's actually started to land. Okay, it started to land on the support. So currently, okay, we will need to wait for it to break the support before we actually take action, or perhaps it may even turn to be a retracement day. All right, that means to say today it may actually goes up. Okay, then probably there may be some retracement to go and test or look out for a resistance before we come back for selling again. All right, so currently no, okay. So Aussie dollar, how about Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar, we are still looking out for a resistance. So tentatively, the target is still up there. So pretty high up there. So tentatively, I'm going to stay away, right? So just stay away first, because we do not know whether for today will it be a good day for sell like yesterday. All right. So yesterday has a good selling off here. All right, but I see that this is actually caused by the news. So we will need to pay attention to this. So tentatively, I see buying is possible. All right. So yep, let's move on. Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie over here looks like Aussie has been quite strong today. So Euro Aussie as a cross pair here looks like it's actually the best selling of the pair. So tentatively, okay, I'm going to look out for this. Okay, then over here, let's see. Right, so it should be here. Taking a look at this, it's already start starting to test the support level down there. Right, over here. So let's check again. Yep, it's correct. Okay, so for Euro Aussie, if we are going to sell, okay, make sure that we actually sell through the support, break the support, and after that we will sell through the support. Okay, roughly we should have about 30 pips to go, right? So tentatively, by looking at this, if this is actually we can break through the support over here. highly likely we are going into the bear. So this is the gateway here. So let's see, okay, if we can actually have a selling opportunity here for Euro Aussie. Okay, yeah, all right. So next to go, EURCAD. Yes, EURCAD over here. EURCAD, yes, seems like EURCAD we are also in the bear. After the retracement up here, it did not manage to go into the bull. However, now we are on the support. So now coming into the support, will there be a chance that it will start to build up a buy for a long trade or break through the support to become a selling trade? All right. So in this case, for EURCAD, I'm going to put this into my watch list because it looks potential after it breaks the support. Okay, after it breaks the support. So EURCAD, I'm going to put this to my watch list. Okay, right. So yep, later on we'll come back and take a look. All right. For Euro Yen. Well, let's take a look. Euro Yen, we are in the bull. Am I right? So in the bull, transiting down into the bear. So transiting down into the bear in this case, all right. So are we going to take note, okay, of the support level? Yes. Right. So over here for Euro Yen, we are looking into selling. Right. We are looking into selling. So tentatively by looking at Euro Yen, all right. So Euro Yen is still good for selling over here. Well, yesterday when we are talking about the targets over here, well, it has achieved and come into my target area here. Right, this is my target area. So tentatively by looking at this, it seems like it's still creating below over here, which is a downward trend, where I still see there's a good chance, okay, for Euro Yen to test on the support of a 28 pips space. Okay, so we have about a 28 pips of space there. So currently, okay, if we are going to the selling, perhaps the support down there is our final destination today. Right, so hopefully, okay, it can break further down, then we'll be able to continue to run to the next target. Okay, so I'm gonna put this Euro Yen into my watch list, and let's see in the next moment will that be in our favor for selling. Okay, all right, Euro Kiwi, yes, we are already in the bear. All right, so right now over here, we have one. All right, so taking a look at this level here. So Euro Kiwi is still we still have a new resistance. Okay, that are actually giving the push down. Right. So yeah, next to go. Okay, so Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar over here. Let's take a look at Euro dollar. Yes, Euro dollar in the general trend, we are still in the selling. We are still in the selling bear trend. Okay, so we are in the bear trend. Are we looking out for a selling or buying? Right, so over at this point here, since yesterday came down, all right, and yesterday went up again. I thought it may reach the target, but unfortunately it did not, and started to swing down again. Well, it started to swing down onto the support level, and it is not breaking through. Okay, so in this case, there's one level of a new cycle of selling. There may be a chance of selling again. So let's take a look. Is there any resistance there for us to sell, so that for us to sell, so that we are able to, so that we can make a profit from this area to the support, which is about 31 pips. Okay, about 31 pips. Right. Okay. So Euro dollar, not bad. Okay, I'm going to put Euro dollar into my watch list as well. Okay. Hi CK, 你好. Right, so over here, right, Pound Aussie. Okay, let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie over here in the whole general trend, we are actually now in the bear, hits with a bull, right? Rebound sharply. So it rebounds sharply. Yeah. Okay. So will there be a chance for selling today? Well, let's take a look over here. Right. So let me remove this first. Okay, so that we can have a clearer picture. Where I see that there may be some support over here to here about another or 50 pips. Okay, we have another 50 pips for this Pound Aussie. So Pound Aussie, but the thing is that the Pound Aussie is actually escalating up as a bull market. Okay, it's escalating up, setting up the bull. So in this case, where if you are setting up for the bull, is it kind of contradicting right? Whether should we sell or should we buy, right? So tentatively, I would say that currently I will place this as under observation before I take action, right? So for pound Aussie looks good actually, okay, but then again is that I want to make sure it is on the selling spree, okay, right? So yeah, let's move on. Okay, pound CAD. Well, pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. Pound CAD very straightforward. We are still in the pool, so buyers can take note, sellers stay away. Right, pound franc. Wow, this is also very obvious that today we are actually moving towards the north. Okay, so no. Right, so for pound yen, okay, pound yen we are in the bull. Okay, after the bear, okay, after this bull, the bear came in, and then after that, the bull comes in again. So in this case over here, we are still in the long trend. Okay, so currently by looking at this pound yen buy, we need a buying. Okay, so I need it to test on the resistance first. So after it tests on the resistance, there's a chance for buying. Okay, yeah, then we will go for a buy. All right. Okay, so like now actually you're setting up for a buying. If it hits on the resistance, if there's a chance for selling, then we come back for selling again. All right. So it depends on the situation. But currently, by looking at it, it should be good for a buy. Okay. So yeah. So GJ, I'm going to watch this first. Later on, then we will see how it goes. Right. So for pound kiwi, yeah, from the situation here until here. And after that, it's tested on the support. So this they are actually having a ranging consolidate here. So currently, okay, if we can see this way, I would say that the support is pretty strong. There's a sign of a strong support there. So I prefer to stay away first. All right, so pound dollar. How about pound dollar? Pound dollar, we are still looking out for a buy. All right, so tentatively for pound dollar, if we are going for selling, then make sure there's a new selling opportunity before we do it. Right, so here to here, okay, we have this level. All right, so from now onwards, okay, I would say that the resistance is actually very near. So currently, if people are going for a buy, please take note. Okay. Right, so dollar CAD. How about dollar CAD? Well, dollar CAD over here, if we are looking at the whole trend, we are actually moving towards the north. So we are still in the buy. So over here in the buy for dollar CAD, today we are having a retracement in the bull market. So retracement, that means there's a chance for selling, am I right? Also means to say it's a chance that for dollar CAD to look out for a support before it actually go for a buy. So tentatively today, I'm still looking out for dollar CAD for a buy, for a selling trade. Okay, so this selling trade is going to be very short term. Okay, cannot be long term. So take note of that. All right, dollar franc. Well, dollar franc very straightforward. We are still cool. So buying is still possible. Just avoid selling first. Well, dollar yen. How about dollar yen? Well, dollar yen over here we have dropped to about 140 now. Okay, so it looks like our dollar against the yen. Okay, dollar is actually getting weaker. Right, so over here, as we can see, so dollar yen, I would prefer to stay away at the moment. Okay, because in the situation, neither sell or buy. So let's keep it first. Right, so next to go, we see Bitcoin. Bitcoin now, okay, yesterday was a big surge there, and now seems like they are actually for another round. Okay, a higher one. So 20,500. Okay, you can go for a buy. Right, hopefully it can reach the price of 23,400. Okay, 23,396. Okay, so sorry, 22,396. 396. So over here, the buyers can take note for this Bitcoin if you're buying. Okay. All right. So for the gold trading, right? For the gold, well, for the gold seems like we are now experiencing some turbulence, and buying over for this gold wise, very likely we are going to look up for area that actually which actually shows that if we are going for a selling of the gold. Later on, yes, we may still have a chance, but it depends on the current situation, whether will it break through, will it actually come into a stage where it's going to buy or sell, then we take action. Okay. All right. So yeah. So that should be all today. Okay. Then let me take a look. What do I have here? So hopefully all these currency pairs going to help you. Okay. And right, let me flash it out for you guys. Right, Aussie yen, euro, Aussie, EURCAD, euro yen, euro kiwi, euro dollar, and dollar CAD. So seems like today all the euros are many euros in there that we can pay attention to it. Okay, guys. All right. So I shall see you later on in the live trading session. Okay, I shall see you. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Smash the like button to appreciate the effort behind the video. Right. Thank you so much, guys. I shall see you later in the live trading.